Move, move. Dog of Doom, come out! There is a Dog of Doom. There it is. A very, very dangerous species. It's a staff, and it can bite anyone. We are going to stalk it, and hopefully it come towards us. Look, it jump! Ah! Ah! Attacking the dog! Ah! Ah, it's gone! Where's it gone? And this is a message to all my friends. Oh, there we go. Ah! This is a message to all my friends. Ew, she just did a pee. You're on the ball. No, no, no! 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 This message to everyone. Again, please help me. Ah! It's that Cloverfield over again. Ah! No! It's gonna escape. No! It's attacking me! Kieran, fall on the floor next time. Huh? Fall on the floor next time. No! No! He's betrayed me! He's on the dark side! No! Look, they've joined forces. This can't be good. Hello? This cannot be good. This cannot lead off to a good start. Ball. Plus human equal bait. It missed! No! Ball plus human equals live bait. No, ball plus dog equals live bait. Right. By the way, please help me. Right, move! Move! Boom. He's on the trampoline. Hit the dog. Hit the human. Look. Ball plus net equals getting away with it. Yes, he's dead. He's dead finally. Yes. No, get the Charlton flag. Right, this is out to Charlton people, fans. I love you all. I wear this respect. Whoa, how'd I get down here? Get back on there, ball! And he dies again. Hopefully, this time, he's actually dead. Guys, he's dead. Look, he's dead. Right, look. Dead for life. Is that flinch? No. No! Not again! Oh, you've got to be kidding me! No! No! No!